We're currently working on the tow pig again, the 2500. We're gonna do a little sound maintenance on this thing. So currently I have everything ripped out of here. So it is down to bare bones. Now, on these work trucks, they don't have factory deadening or anything. So it's overall pretty loud, but it's definitely gonna be even more loud without all of the trim and the rug and the seats and everything like that. So we're gonna do a sound test right now with all this in here, with everything out. All right, so I don't have a fancy decibel meter, but we are currently parked with the truck running. All right, now in terms of sound deadening the cab, we're gonna start with the ceiling. We'll start with this spray-on boom mat, and then we're gonna go with the Amazon brand, basically kill mat. Basically, it's just Amazon brand. And then we also have this secondary foam that goes over the top of that's self-adhesive, and it'll just kind of stay on there and should be good to go. Throw her up there. Sweet. Look at that. She's all done. Let's get to it. All right, so we put the carpet in. It's not like completely installed with all the trim pieces and whatnot, but the carpet's laid down. We're gonna take a little trip to the dump, and we're gonna test out the decibels that this thing gives off with all of this sound deadening. Whether the meter says so or not, it's much, much quieter in here, at least to my ears. If it's not quieter, it's definitely muffled.